Hey MTV, welcome to my crib. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Audrey. I'm a New York City based fashion stylist and content creator. I have not done my YouTube channel in quite a few years, so welcome back. It's my goal for 2024 to bring back this channel, and the people over on Instagram and TikTok have been begging for a closet tour, so I figured it's time that I give the people what they want. I'm about to do like a little closet revamp in the next month or so, so I figured I wanted to give you guys a more in-depth tour before I change anything up. So this is my bedroom right now. This side is my bed and my dresser, and we're gonna take a little skip, hop, and a jump over to the closet area. And this is what you typically see on social media, and this is where the magic happens. So in this first cabinet here, we have most of my jewelry. I'm a big jewelry gal. I love an accessory, and this is my pride and joy, probably my favorite space in my closet. So up at the top here, we have a lot of my bangles and larger bracelets. A lot of them are vintage that I've thrifted over the years. These are my like chokers, metal collars. These are all of my scarves. I have a ton of vintage scarves that I've like thrifted over the years. You will see this in my closet, but everything is pretty much color coded. Here are all of my perfumes. I've been lucky enough to receive a bunch in the past year, so dedicated a shelf to her. Over here we have my bracelets, watches, and some more necklaces. And then these two shelves are primarily all of my earrings. And then I have my rings, some like vintage brooches and such, and then like my daily bracelets that I wear. On the last two shelves, we have all of my necklaces, from kind of like my dainty everyday into my chunkier statement necklaces. So this is the jewelry closet. Love her. And moving over here, we have most of my handbags. So at the top, I have my larger like everyday work bags. And here we have my handbags. So at the top, we have my like clutches, into some of my neutral bags, my little sparkly rhinestone shelf, and then into some color and my black bags. So I have a lot of handbags. They are stuffed in there. Now, if you thought I had a lot of jewelry and handbags, strap in for the shoes, because you're only seeing a small portion of them here. Underneath my bed, I have it lofted a little bit, and I have storage containers with sneakers, flats, sandals, and then up on top, we have my tall boots, and some of my cowboy boots. And then in this cabinet, we have my high heels. I feel very Carrie Bradshaw with this little cabinet, and she's stunning, gorgeous, cute. These are very unrealistic to commute in New York, but they're cute for the photo. And on the other side of the closet, we have my more wearable shoes. So in this cabinet, I have all of my ankle boots, combat boots, and then I do have some fun, sparkly ones that I wear for photo shoots. In this wardrobe, we have all of my blazers. I have thrifted a lot of vintage blazers in my day, and I do have some like vests and lightweight jackets, but it's amazing. There's a lot. But I think one of my like little favorite party tricks when people come to look at my closet, they always love my sunglass collection. So down here in this drawer, we have all of my sunglasses that are labeled, color coded, and this is definitely from like my styling days. So I have ones that are like pink and red. I have a case that's all of my like greens, blues, yellows, neutrals, rhinestones, and I have, these are just like kind of like my everyday sunglasses that I grab, and then I have some of my designer ones like in their cases, but I love my sunglass collection. I always have what I call a working rack in my room. So this one is a little bit more decorative right now with like my fun fuzzy fur jackets. I am going to be expanding and getting another unit during the revamp for these coats. But I have a working rack of pieces that I want to wear, I want to style, maybe I need to shoot them for a brand, so I just always have that kind of separate. And I am very lucky to have 2 closets here in New York City. The closet space sold me on the apartment. I was like, this is unheard of to have this much space in New York. So behind door number 1, these are very crowded, so don't judge me, are all of my tops. So on the back of the door, I have some of my like vintage jackets. Like this is a really fun like Western one that I thrifted. This is my dad's Letterman sweater from 1969. And then I have some of my like beach tote bags hanging here. And then in here on the shelves, I have all of my denim jackets, sweaters, hoodies, and just kind of like my nicer sweaters. And then all of my tops. It's very crowded right now, but I try to keep things color-coded and categorized in my closet. It helps. So all of my tops, all of my denim tops, and then it goes into neutrals down here. So that is the first closet. Now it's time for the walk-in closet. Are you ready? So behind this door, I have all of my leather jackets. And then I have like my nicer leather tote bags that I'll use like for work. It's a little crowded in here, but come on in. This is a New York walk-in closet. So most importantly, we have the sequin section. This used to be where the blazers were, but I needed these front and center because they bring me so much joy. So a lot of them are vintage sequin tops that I've like thrifted over the years. Below that, we have all of my skirts. I even have a couple like tutus in there. Behind me, we have all of my dresses. There's really, not a lot of space, but I know what everything, like where everything is in my closet, and it's all color coded here. Above are all of my pants and denim. And then I also have some like jumpsuits and overalls. In this little corner here, so this I built and brought in this unit. I just have some of these like plastic drawer containers that house my like everyday t-shirts, layering pieces, graphic tees. Below the dresses, I have kind of like off-season pieces. So for right now, it has swimsuits, bikinis, shorts, and above this unit up here, I have like scarves, winter wear, so I'll swap those out depending on the season. On this wall, I wanted to maximize the vertical space and storage, so I installed all of these like bike hooks that belong in a garage, and I organized all of my belts on here, and they can hold a ton of weight. So this is my belt wall. Okay, so above the door, I have all of my baseball caps, and I talked to you guys about like the off-season stuff. I also have more accessories, just like hats, scarves, opera gloves. I need a good opera glove. And then I also have my wide brim hats that I typically store in here too. And the most important accessory is my very tall stepladder because I cannot reach anything in this closet. So that's the walk-in closet. Now we're back on the bedroom side of the room, and I have 2 dressers over here. Nothing glamorous, it just kind of has like the daily essentials from undergarments, pajamas, workout wear, lounge wear, shapewear, all of the good things. Okay, that is it. That is my full closet tour. I do have one more closet in the front of my apartment that has more of just like my everyday outerwear, but I'm not going to show you guys that right now. Let me know if you guys have any questions, especially about storage and closet organization. I'm the queen of maximizing the space that you live in. My first 2 apartments in New York were not this spacious at all. My first apartment was maybe 5 feet wide. I'm not joking. I could touch both walls. So I had to be very creative with how to store clothing in that apartment. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and let me know if you guys are interested in following along with my closet revamp this spring. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!